What up, cuz?
Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be doing a drop test on my old Samsung Galaxy Tab 3. I've been wanting to do this video for quite a long time because I've been seeing a lot of drop test videos of technology online. It's really been like catching my attention, and I was like, maybe I should do a drop test on some old technology. And what better way to do it than with this worthless tablet? I wanted to do this sooner, but my sister was using this as her, tablet until I got my iPad restored. So now she's going to be using that to play games and watch YouTube, and she says that she doesn't need this anymore. So what better way to destroy it than with a drop test? I'm curious to see how it's going to fare against durability. Now, it is kind of already cracked, as you can see, like it's cracked like here, and that was like a couple weeks ago. I was messing around. I was trying to bend it, and I did sort of, and it just like popped the screen, and it was fractured with hairline cracks. I even posted on my Twitter. I made a tweet about it a couple weeks ago, so here's the tweet. So yeah, here's my tweet. Again, I posted this about 2 weeks ago. I just tried to bend my tablet as a joke, didn't think it would do anything, and yeah, that happened. So don't ever try doing that with your own device, and you guys should totally go follow me on Twitter. So yeah, anyways, let's go ahead and begin this drop test. I might even add a little bend test at the end, see if I could possibly break it. So I just kind of restarted this tablet brand new, sort of, well not really, it just restarted. I just had a couple apps here. I got Chrome, I got the camera, I got YouTube. Supposedly, I think YouTube still works, but it's like a very old version of it. Yeah, it's like a very old version, I think. And again, it's as slow as molasses, as I mentioned in my tech review. It's taking a while to load. Even my iPad can load faster than that. So this is basically what I meant in my tech review, that YouTube doesn't work. As you see here, there was a problem starting up. Check your connection and system time touch to retry, and see, none of this really works. I mean, it does load this, but I can't watch the videos. Someone actually told me in my tech review that this tablet for them works just fine. They can download the latest compatible versions of apps, everything still works, and I'm just like, wow, I'm glad it works. I mean, I think it could just be my model that's kind of broken or in some way. I don't know, maybe something inside. But yeah, let's stop chit-chatting about that and just get to the drop test. So over here, I'll have my phone recording in slow motion. The screw's kind of broken on this tripod, so the thing would fall off. So I gotta be careful. I'm just gonna be dropping it there. And then maybe from my higher distances, I will be filming with the iPad, even though the camera sucks on it. But oh well, I guess I'll just have to improvise. I'll also be recording a video of this getting dropped with this camera, even though the camera sucks also. But just want to see how it looks. Set you guys up there. Let's see. I think you guys can see me from the whole distance up there. Alright, so I'm not so sure if you guys can see me. I tested it before, see if you guys could, and you were able to see me. So basically, here's how I'm going to be doing the drop test. I'm going to be doing 3 standards. I'm going to be doing waist height, head height, maybe just go stand up on the bed. That might be 10 feet or something, and I'm going to drop it on the side, the back, and the face. Even though it's kind of already cracked, I'm just trying to break it even more. So I'm going to also start recording a video here on this one. So here we go. We'll do a waist height drop on the side. 3, 2, 1. Oof, that didn't go as planned. Okay, let's take a look at that. Looks like it's still recording. So everything seems to be fine. It's not stopping the. Oh shoot. Okay. So I'm trying to stop the video and the screen isn't responding. Uh-oh. Is it? Oh, okay, that's not good. Can I try? Let me try doing this and then try to unlock it. Oh. Okay, it works. I just don't know why. Okay, so the digitizer works. Oh, it just froze on me. Oh, okay. The video saved. I don't know why it didn't stop recording. I guess it just locked out on me or something. But okay, it kind of landed on the back, so that surprisingly still works. Man, it kind of scared me a little bit, so I do think the video did save. Yeah, it saved. Okay, so now let's do the next drop test. Okay, so actually some part of the screen is not working. This part isn't working. See, it's just clicking up here. Yeah, so some part of the digitizer is broken. Not even this works, and I don't know if this works. So yeah, I think I kind of damaged the screen a little bit, so that's already not a good sign. So I kind of busted that. But I'll still try to record just by can I click here? No, I can't. What if I go up here? Oh, okay, it locked out again, so I don't think I can save this recording or not. I don't know. Let me try locking it again and swiping. Yeah, this portion works. It's just for some reason locking out on me for some reason. So I guess it's rendered a little bit useless now. Can I try? Yeah, I think that's it. Doesn't work, so dang. I was trying to get angles. I was gonna save it to my Dropbox, but I don't think that's gonna happen anymore because Blaze just kind of stopped working. So alright, let's just still do the next drop. Alright, so now we're gonna do waist height on the back. The back is plastic, so I wonder how the shock will fare, but anyways, here we go. On the back, I'm still nervous. In 3, 2, 1. Ooh, man, that jumped. That didn't sound good. Okay, so the screen is still the same, touch is still glitching. So it hit the back and nothing really. I think there's some more scuffs on the side. The screen, again, it still works, but it's just like glitching out on me. Oh, I got it. Can I open the camera? No. So some part of the LCD doesn't work, so. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, I just opened up the camera, so I couldn't get that drop. Well, maybe I'll try to redo this drop so I can capture it on camera. So let's do this. Okay, so now let's go do a waist height on the back again just so I can catch it on camera on the tablet. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh man, that was a good jump. Okay. Bottom of the screen doesn't really work, so I can't really stop the video. Yeah, I think I busted it more because this is like, I don't know, it didn't stop and, uh-oh. Oh, now I think it's completely locked out. Big darn. See, it's completely locked out. So much for redoing that. It didn't even get to record. But yeah, I think the display is just totaled at this point, so. Alright, that's it. But it still works. The screen still turns on and everything. Just the display no longer works. So, let's do face down, see how that turns out. Alright, so let's do waist height, face down. Screen's already basically busted, but let's just see if we can completely kill it. I'm nervous. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was flat on its face. That didn't sound good. Okay. So, I think it's fine. It cracked a little bit more here, but that didn't sound good. Let's turn it on. Yeah, okay. So, it still works. It cracked a little more over here, but it still works. It still turns on. Man, that noise was quite loud. I got so scared. That didn't sound good. But alright, let's move on to head height and see if that can kill this thing or not. Alright, so here we go. Doing head height. We're gonna do it on the side first just to see how this one goes. This is gonna be bad. But here we go. Waist height. Oh no, I'm sorry, head height. On the side. 3, 2, 1. Oh man, that knows how to spin. Oh! It cracked even more up here. I feel the glass coming out. I feel like I'm gonna cut myself. Cut a little bit more here, but does it work? Yes, it still works, but the LCD... Oh, even this kind of popped out a little bit, but it still works, surprisingly. Oh man, these cracks got way worse though, so. Alright, so surprisingly it's still alive, although it broke, I think, in the side on the first drop. So, yeah. Alright, now let's do head height on the back. Now I think this is where we're going to start to see this device die. Alright, here we go. Head height on the back. I am so nervous, I don't want to do this. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oof, that was so bad. Oh god. Oh my god. Fractured even more like down here, and this little thing kind of popped out, but I could just pop it back in. But does it work? Yes, it still works. Wait, does it? No, it doesn't work. Okay, so it cracked more, but it's still working. So, let's see how the back turned out. Seems like it's fine. The stainless steel frame's kind of tough, except for when you bend it, when I try to. But, alright. Let's do head height face down. I think this is going to be the end of this tablet. Okay, here we go. Head height face down. I don't know if I should add a little spin to it just to see if it'll land. You know what? I'm just going to try to see if it'll work. In 3, 2, 1. Oof. Oh, God. So, I just saw something. I'm not checking the front. So, the camera got completely displaced on here. And, oh, yeah. Oh, wait, no. The camera works. I think just a little plastic thing got stuck, but... Ouch. That is done. Totally. Does it work? Oh, God. So, it works. But, done for. Complete toast. It's done. Wow. Well, that's how I break tablets, and I'm gonna try to pop this open, try to get the casing back on while the camera, so it could maybe continue up and do a 10-foot drop, so it can completely shut off. So the display is already done for. Oh. Okay, now it's not turning on. Wait, hold up a second. Oh, I see why. A little connector got loose. What if I just... Oh, some connectors kind of got loose. Let me just put these back on and then try to turn it on, see how it's going to come out. So that plastic piece is gone. Oh my god. Look at that. That's so funny. So that's it. This thing is completely done. So, alright. Let's do a 10-foot drop and see how that's going to fare. Not good for sure. This will be the last one I do. I probably won't bend it because I'm already broken this way too much. So let's just do a 10-foot drop and see how that's going to come out. Alright. This is probably an estimated 10 feet. So the iPad will be recording the drop from up here, and of course my phone will be recording slow-mo. But alright, let's do the 10-foot, oh, you guys might not see my face, but actually I might have to angle it to where you guys can see my face, maybe, I'd say up to maybe here. Oh, no. Okay, tripod's kind of broken. Let me see. Let me see if this is good enough. Well, it'll do. But anyways, here we go. We're going to do 10 foot on the side. So, here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, God. Woo, man. Even more cracks and a couple dents here and there. Does it work? That's so funny. So, it seems like it does still work. But, kaput. Ooh, look at that nasty dent. Oh, that's nasty. So yeah, this thing is kaput. Okay. Alright, now we're gonna do 10 feet on the back. Alright, we're gonna give him some blood. Anyways, I'm gonna make sure I film where the mic isn't completely blocked. But here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was so flat. That does not sound good. I feel like I'm gonna break the battery. I really need to be careful with this. So, more cracks around here. Does it work? Look at this. That's so funny. So, that's completely unusable. Oh, we got actually the frame's kind of bent down here. It's a little bit bent. I'm ready to check on this battery. I hope I don't puncture it. Oh, look at this. A nasty dent. But alright, the final drop. Face down 10 feet. Let's see how this is gonna fare. I basically lost all my confidence at this point. But here we go. 10 feet estimated. Face down. This is it. 3, 2, 1. Oh man, that sounded so bad. I'm nervous. This thing popped out again. Oh, that's feels up. Oh, okay. More cracks and poot. That is completely toast. That's it. That's it. This thing is completely done for. Oh, actually. Oh, so I think this. Okay, looks like the display might still be working, but that's it. This thing is completely unusable. So, oh my god, that's so funny. So yeah, guys, that's the drop test of the Samsung Galaxy Tab 3. Maybe for those of you who still own one of these and are curious to see if it's durable. Well, I wouldn't say really. It kind of already got broken on the first fall. Add a case and a screen protector. That's my recommendation. But don't be purposely dropping this unless you're not using this anymore and you don't want it. My sister doesn't want this anymore because the iPad, I let her use it. So anyway, guys, that's going to wrap up this video. This was quite an interesting video to film. So thank you guys so much for watching. We're only 25 subscribers away from hitting 10,000, so I truly would appreciate when I hit it. And I will be going on vacation Tuesday. I'm not sure where, but I'll be going out somewhere. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll just leave this tablet down there. And I will see you all in the next video. Peace out.